Now we will take theorem 6.2. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Line is parallel to the third side. This is what conversal theorem. So again we have to prove it. To prove we have to write given. Triangle ABC is given. In which line DE intersects line DE intersects AB at D and AC at E. AC at E such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. D parallel to BC we have to prove. So next we'll take proof. For that we need a diagram. So let us have the diagram here. Please raise your hand if you have any difficulty. So here is some line intersecting AB at D and AC at E in such a way that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So here what we'll do is we'll assume that D is not parallel in the beginning. We'll assume that D is not parallel. If D is not parallel to BC, then definitely there will be some line parallel to BC. There exists some line parallel to BC passing through D. Passing through D. So we'll write. Let us assume D is not parallel to parallel to BC, parallel to BC. Then there exists a line parallel to BC passing through D. This is what we have studied in Euclid's geometry in ninth standard. For a given line, we can draw a line parallel passing through a given point. So that is what we are writing here. Then there exists a line parallel to BC passing through D. Say that parallel line is DE dash. Say that parallel line is DE dash. You have to write a dash here. If you forget this, then it will become DE and DE already exists there. You can't do that. So go back to the figure now. So somewhere here, above or below this D, you show DE dash. You show DE dash. For us, DE dash is parallel to BC. Do not worry. DE dash is not appearing parallel to BC. Don't worry about that. You say it is parallel. Okay, it is our assumption now. Completed the drawing? Okay. Then can I write AD by DB equal to AE dash by E dash C? You can do that. You can do that. No issue. AE dash by E dash C. Why I am writing like this? Reason is using theorem 6.1. In theorem 6.1, what we studied? If a line is drawn parallel to the, if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersecting remaining two sides, then that line will be dividing the two remaining sides in the same ratio. We studied that. So now DE dash is parallel to BC and it is intersecting AB at D and AC at E dash. AC at E dash. So definitely AD by DB should be equal to AE dash by E dash C. Hence we are writing it here. But what is given to us? You look at given now. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. They have given. That will write. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. It is given. It is given. Now call this as 1 and this as 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What do you find? LHS are equal. AD by DB and AD by DB are equal. That means LHS must also be equal. That is AE dash by E dash C is equal to AE by EC. Is equal to AE by EC. Okay. What it means then? If AE dash by E dash C is equal to AE by EC, it means that E dash and E are not two different points. They are same points. If these two ratios are equal, you see here, A is there, A is there. C is there, C is also there. In place of E dash we are having E here, in place of E dash we are having E here. It means that E and E dash are not two different points, they are same points. So we'll write here, which means E and E dash are not two different points. Are not two different points. If they are not two different points, what it means? And AE is same as AE dash and AE is same as AE dash. That means both are same line. Okay. Therefore, AE is parallel to BC. Hence proved. Hence proved.